Welcome to Miniature Tube. Today I will be starting a new project. If you are new here and want to check out how I made this miniature living room, go to my channel. If not, then welcome to my miniature bedroom room box part 1. In today's video we will be building the box room, unboxing some bits from HobbyCraft, completing the flooring and building the feature wall. So first I'm going to build the actual room. I will be using MDF board 3mm in thickness. As a warning, if you're using this, please remember to wear a mask because of the dust that it can create when you're sanding or sawing. MDF board is the best material I have found so far when building my structures because it feels very strong, but it's also relatively easy to cut with just a craft knife. Once you have all of the pieces cut out, you can assemble the room box. I will just be taping it together for now so you guys can see what it will look like, and also it's good to check that everything fits because I'm gonna be honest, sometimes my measurements are wrong. Today I went to HobbyCraft to pick some bits up. Usually I like to order things online, but if you know HobbyCraft, sometimes you just need a little trip there. I picked up some more acrylic paint that I needed, some design paper pads which are really good if you need wallpaper, and I also picked up some craft sticks which I like to use a lot. All of these materials that I picked up today I will be using in the rest of this video, so stay tuned, but for now I will be putting them away. Onto the flooring, I will be doing a simple laminate floor using my craft sticks. This is a really easy technique and doesn't require a lot of materials. Begin by cutting off the rounded ends of each stick. I made mine around 5 inches in length. I will also be adjusting these later to suit the different sizes that I need for my flooring panels. It can be quite time consuming doing this part, but put on a show and just take your time. If anyone's got any recommendations for me, let me know in the comments. Now all the panels are cut, I will be using my trusty Gorilla wood glue to glue them down. As you can see, the end piece was slightly smaller, so I just measured it and cut one of the 5-inch panels to make it fit. I like to glue the panels so that the shorter end alternates each side. I think that leaves a really good effect. Once all the panels are stuck down, I will give the whole board a sand just to smooth over any of the joins. And then I will be using Mod Podge, which is a water-based glue sealer and finish. I like to use it as a finish as it gives a shine to the wood like you would get with a natural laminate floor. Adding 2 to 3 coats should give your wood a nice shine. Last but not least, the most exciting part of the video, the feature wall. For the feature wall, I wanted to do an archway that the bed will sit in, like so. So I began by roughly sketching this out on the back wall, and then we can build the archway using some cardboard. I want my archway to be 2 centimeters in depth, so I cut out the size of the wall and left 2 centimeters around the edge. We will fold these back later and it will all make sense. I then sketched the archway and drew another line 2 centimeters on the inside. We will also fold this in to create our 2 centimeter arch. I will then go ahead and cut out the inside arch and then cut slits into the 2 centimeter line to create flaps. Now we can fold everything back and it begins to make sense what we're doing. I'm going to cut a strip of cardboard that will go on the inside of the arch. This is just to cover up the flaps that look a bit messy at the moment. It's starting to look a bit more like an archway now. So the last bit I'm going to do before we can decorate it is cover the front with a piece of cardboard. This is just to make it all neater and make the paint go on better. And yes, I'm using a box of cereal. This just goes to show that you can make anything with just household items. Now we are ready to make it look pretty. I knew that I wanted the inside of the arch to be wallpaper, but I just didn't know what wallpaper. I originally had my mind set on this first wallpaper, but then today I bought a new design pad and now I think I want to use these ones. I have narrowed it down to 3 or 4 options, but I just can't decide. I have my heart set on a pink feature wall, so I just need to see which one goes best. Let's do a test piece. Okay, so here we have option 1. This is the original wallpaper I wanted to use. This is option 2. I'm swaying towards option 2 right now. And option 3. I still can't decide, so we're just going to paint the whole feature wall and then see if that helps me make a decision. Okay, we are trying again. So, option 1. With this one, I really like how it looks when the light's shining on it. It just adds an extra layer. Here we have option 2, which I originally liked, but now I'm not so sure. And the last option, option 3. I'm not really liking this one too much. I'm going to stick with my original gut instinct, option 1. And I'm going to glue it down before I can change my mind again. I just need to glue the arch over top and then the feature wall is complete. We have a complete flooring, a complete feature wall, and I've painted 2 of the side walls white. Let's build the room box and see how it turned out. Thank you guys again so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.